how to share a Google Keep note with someone using your phone. Whether you want to send your notes through Gmail, Messages, WhatsApp, or another app, the process is quick and easy. First, open the Google Keep app on your phone. Now, open the note that you want to share. Next, tap the three-dot icon in the bottom right corner of the note to open more options. From the menu that appears, tap Send. After that, your phone's Share sheet will open, showing all the apps you can use to share the note. You can choose Gmail to send the note by email, or select apps like Messages, WhatsApp, Messenger, or any other compatible app installed on your phone. If the app you want isn't visible, tap More to see all the available sharing options. Now, select the person or contact you want to share the note with, then complete the sharing process in the selected app. Once you've finished, your Google Keep note will be shared successfully. And that's it. That's how you can quickly and easily share Google Keep notes on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.